Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. Arms stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we are just going to clean some fruits and veggies. This morning, I ran to our local farmer's market. I was able to grab a huge amount of fruits and veggies, and you will see as I sanitize. And this is every Friday. We're very lucky here in South Florida. We have a couple farmers market, and we have a local farmers market that it's only $29.99, and we get this huge box of fruits and veggies. So you definitely want to take advantage of it. I hope this gives you cleaning inspiration. I hope it gives you sanitizing inspiration. Stay healthy, guys. So you notice that I have two bowls going, and what I do is I just sprinkle a little bit of baking soda into the bowl. I put some cold water, and certain products I soak into the water. Others I just kind of dunk in there. I use a little scrubber, I scrub it off. You'll notice that I'm soaking the potatoes, but a lot of the carrots I just rinse. You'll also notice that a lot of the fruit and anything that you don't want to get soggy, don't let it soak into the water and baking soda mixture. Just kind of dunk it. Even if you want to scrape off any kind of dirt, you'll notice the water gets super dirty. So I do change out the dirty water a couple times. I like to, whenever it gets really dirty and yucky, I just change it out, refill the bowl with some fresh cold water, sprinkle some baking soda. But guys, the water gets so dirty. And also you'll notice that I'm taking this head of spinach and I'm kind of like dunking it a couple times. Same thing with the strawberries. You'll notice that I kind of just let it soak a little bit, take it out, and then put it into a clean container. now I'm just going to go ahead and prep my dinner for tonight. Tonight we're going to grill, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop up the zucchini, put it in a container, and right before I grill, I usually like to throw some olive oil on top of it, salt and pepper, and throw it in the grilling basket. The next thing I'm going to make is my marinade for my chicken. Now you'll notice that I use chili sauce, soy sauce, ketchup. I use some honey. It takes me a little longer to get the honey out because I accidentally put the honey in the fridge. I also will be taking some fresh garlic that I got from the farmer's market last week actually. I will chop it up and throw it in there, and I also put a little bit of seasoning. I will link the recipe below. It is so good.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me.
So now that I'm done making the marinade, I am going to butterfly cut my chicken. I'm going to take all the fat off, and I am going to drizzle the marinade on top of the chicken in a big Ziploc bag. I will let this sit in my fridge for about 6 to 7 hours before we grill outside tonight for dinner.
This is love. Take another one. Let it in, let it fill you up. Make a wish, make another one. Don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say everything on our minds, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. I'm stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is love.
After I'm done cleaning dishes, I like to go in with a little bit of baking soda just to disinfect my sink after cleaning all those dirty dishes. we are done cleaning, sanitizing, and prepping for dinner tonight. I really hope this video inspired you guys. Get out there, clean your veggies, remain safe and healthy, and don't forget to sanitize.